Right, so part of the setting up for Facebook Live is to actually log in, and Ecamm makes it very easy to do, and you can see this big old blue button down here where it says Facebook Login. If you don't see that, maybe you have one of these selected here. You can see that the icon changes accordingly. So we're going to go ahead and use Facebook. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the login. Now, you are able to, sign in utilizing your Facebook, and you're able to, once you sign in, you are able to sign out and use different accounts if that's what you have. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use this one for the very first time. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the login button. And then it's going to be presented with this here. So it tells me that Ecamm Live for the Mac will receive, your public profile, events, and videos. And you're going to need to make sure that every single thing that Ecamm needs and utilizes, you're going to have to go ahead and click on the continue button. Okay, all those preferences that are visible here. So we, Ecamm Live wants to go ahead and post stuff publicly. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And then I'm also going to go ahead and choose this as well. Ecamm would like to have access to my groups that I manage, pages that I publish, and everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the OK button as well. Because if you have pages and you have groups that you belong to, you need to go ahead and utilize this. And we are able to tweak exactly to which section we want to broadcast to. Now, it tells us right here in the screen that we are now ready to go live on Facebook. And then it also talks about here, as a reminder, do not put any third-party video ads in your live video. And, you must be able to be distinguishable as far as recorded content from the live content. And so that's just part of Facebook's ruling. Okay. And then you can go ahead and click on the Get Started. And now we're finally logged into Facebook, and we're able to choose our destination and where we would like to post and everything over here. Okay. So we're going to go over that here in a separate video. But to let you know, you are able to log out of everything. So if you click this little Ecamm Live Beta, you are able to log out. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, log out. And the next time that you log in, you will not be you will not be prompted anyway for those extra permissions, because you've already given the service of Ecamm in order to post videos for you in a public setting and help control any of those pages. But that is all necessary to be in the software and be checkmarked yes in order for you to have a successful broadcast without any issues. Okay, so that's it with this video, and continue on watching on some of the features on how to broadcast to Facebook and everything. Okay.